Hello everyone, myself Vijay Lashmi and my teammate is Ramya. We are from IT department in Vailtech High Tech, Dr. Rangaraja, Dr. Sakundala Engineering College. And our project title is Initial Stage Identification of Paddy Plant Disease using Deep Learning Techniques. Domain. Our domain is an image processing and the technology which we are used here is deep learning techniques. Image processing is a technique to improve the image quality by applying the mathematical operations and involves in modifying the images by identification of its two-dimensional signal and enhancing it by comparing with a standard signal. Deep learning becomes the most exact and premises platform for the detection of plant disease. It enables computational model to learn features progressively from data at a multiple levels. Objective: to design an algorithm that detects the paddy leaf disease detection using deep RCNN. This project helps us to get a deep knowledge on image processing and deep learning approach and also motivate us to provide a contribution to society for improving the quality and the quantity of rice production in our country. Abstract: plant leaf diseases are the major problem faced by farmers in our country. So, in our project, we are focusing on paddy leaf disease which helps the farmer to retain the growth. In existing system, they were used a machine learning algorithm to identify the affected leaf diseases. And in a proposed system, we are using deep learning algorithm to improve the accuracy compared to the existing system. The input image is sent to the color threshold function that extracts the disease part. Then the segmented part is sent to the GLCM and extraction process is formulated to statistical parameters of the test image. The deep RCNN networks classifies the disease and also test the normal leaf. Introduction. India is a cultivated country and 70% of a population depends on agriculture. Farmers have large range of diversity for selecting various suitable crops and finding the suitable pesticides for the plant. Disease on plant leads to the significant reduction in the both quality and the quantity of agricultural products. These crops need to be monitored against the diseases from the very first stage of the life cycle. The main objectives are to provide a paddy leaf disease recognition system using image processing and the deep learning techniques, and it gives a remedy prediction to take a proper cures. Existing system. In existing system, they have used a different paddy leaf images to classify and detect the diseases by using a machine learning algorithm. Disadvantages in existing system. Accuracy level is low and processing time is more. Proposed system. In this paper, we have proposed the input images are sent to color threshold function that extracts the disease part. The segmented part is sent to the GLCM and the extraction process is formulated by statistical parameter of the test image. The deep RCNN algorithm is used for classifying the diseases and also test the normal leaf. After detecting the affected leaf, suggestions on percentage of fertilizer used and valuable feedback to the farmers are updated in the notification. Advantages in proposed system. Improved the accuracy with the help of a deep region based convolutional neural networks, and our system is very fast as compared to the other because segmentation makes the processing time is less.
Now let us see in brief about architectural diagram. In this architecture, first we are supposed to convert the input image into one standard image. It will be in various sizes, so the segmentation part will not predict the affected portion properly. So that we want to convert the input image into one standard image. For segmenting the required region, HSV segmentation is used to extract the disease in the leaf. Then feature extraction is performed using GLCM. It is useful for selecting most relevant feature subset based on certain evaluation criteria. Finally, RCNN is used for predicting the disease name and it will give suggestions on percentage of fertilizer is given and it will be displayed in the message box. Hardware requirements: processor i3 and above, RAM 4 GB and above, OS Windows 10. Software requirements: tool MATLAB version 2018A, language C based command line. Next we move on to module 1 pre-processing. The main objective of the pre-processing is to improve the quality of ultrasound image. Image segmentation is the process of dividing digital image into multiple segments. Next, we move on to module 2 segmentation. In this process, we are using two segmentation. HSV segmentation is used for brightness of an image. RGB segmentation is used to display the digital image into multiple segments. GLCM is used for analysis, denoising and compression of an image. Next, we move on to module 3 classification. This type of paddy plant disease is detected by deep RCNN. In this testing, all pre-processing is done and image is uploaded to RCNN algorithm. It is compared with training dataset. Then it is able to identify different type of diseases. After detection, suggestions on percentage of fertilizer is given. It gives valuable feedback to the farmers or updated in the notification. Algorithm used. Algorithm we used are RCNN. RCNN is a family of machine learning models for computer vision and specially used for object detection. In our project, we are using RCNN for detecting leaf disease and also overcome the disease by displaying fertilizer name. This is our final output. Conclusion. This paper provides efficient and accurate paddy leaf disease detection and classification techniques by using MATLAB image processing. This paper depends on deep RCNN, which are configured for paddy leaf disease. It provides high accuracy and consumes very less time for entire processing. Future enhancement. We are planning to transform the project from prototype to complete end-use product. The farmer has to just take a snap of the leaf, upload it to cloud where back-end processing will do predict the disease and give corrective measure for preventing and eliminating external host. These are our references. Paper publication. We are published our journal paper in Hushang University of Science and Technology. These are our journal certificate. Thank you.